Welcome to my channel. Are you frustrated with not seeing results from your workouts? You're here to change your life. Maybe you've tried before, maybe this is your first real attempt, but today marks a new beginning. You're not just thinking about change, you're taking action. That first step, no matter how small, is the most important one you'll ever take. It's the moment you decide that your health, your happiness, and your future are worth fighting for. Whether your goal is to shed weight, feel stronger, or simply have more energy to enjoy life, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to fit into your favorite jeans again, or maybe you want to keep up with your kids, or just feel confident in your own skin. Whatever your motivation, it all starts with a single step forward. Taking control of your health isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. It's about choosing to nourish your body, move with purpose, and celebrate every victory, no matter how minor it may seem. Every healthy meal, every glass of water, every walk around the block is a win. Forget fancy gym memberships and expensive equipment. You don't need any of that to get started. The best exercises are often the simplest ones: walking and stair climbing. These are activities you can do almost anywhere at any time without any special gear. All you need is a pair of comfortable shoes and a willingness to move. Walking is the OG of exercise. Timeless, accessible, and incredibly effective. You can walk in your neighborhood, at the park, or even around your office building. It's free, it's easy to fit into your day, and it's a fantastic way to clear your mind while you move your body. Whether you're strolling at a gentle pace or picking up the speed, every step counts. Walking is low impact, making it gentle on your joints and perfect for beginners or anyone returning to exercise after a break. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Walking can be a powerful tool for boosting your metabolism, improving your mood, and supporting your heart health. Just 30 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. Now, if you're ready to kick things up a notch, stair climbing is walking's intense sibling. It's a battle against gravity that challenges your muscles and your willpower. Every flight of stairs you conquer torches calories, builds strength in your legs and glutes, and gets your heart pumping. It's a workout that packs a punch in a short amount of time. Each step you take on the stairs is more than just a movement. It's a lunge, a lift, and a powerhouse move all rolled into one. You're not just moving your body, you're building it one step at a time. Stair climbing can be as simple as taking the stairs at work or as challenging as running up stadium bleachers. The beauty is, you can tailor it to your own fitness level. Both walking and stair climbing are fantastic exercises, each with their own unique benefits. Walking is perfect for building endurance, burning calories steadily, and easing stress. Stair climbing ramps up the intensity, helping you build muscle and burn more calories in less time. The real question is, which one fits your goals, your lifestyle, and your preferences? Let's break it down together, so you can make the best choice for your journey. No matter which path you choose, remember, every step you take is a step toward a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. This is your first step to a new you. Let's make it count. Who wins the calorie-burning war? Is it the stairs or the sidewalk? Today, we dive deep into the science and practicality of these two common forms of exercise. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, improve your cardiovascular health, or simply stay active, understanding the benefits of each can help you make an informed decision. Stair climbing incinerates calories faster than walking. This is because when you climb stairs, you're working against gravity, which requires more energy and thus burns more calories. It's a high-intensity workout that engages multiple muscle groups, including your glutes, quads, and calves. Climbing stairs means fighting gravity, demanding more power, and burning more calories. The effort required to lift your body weight against gravity makes stair climbing a more strenuous activity compared to walking on a flat surface. This increased effort translates to a higher calorie burn, making it an efficient workout for those looking to maximize their exercise time. A 160-pound person burns 100 calories walking for 30 minutes, but over 250 climbing stairs. This significant difference highlights the efficiency of stair climbing as a calorie-burning exercise. If you're short on time but want to get the most out of your workout, stair climbing is the way to go. Stair climbing is a high-efficiency workout, perfect for fat loss. Not only does it burn more calories, but it also helps build muscle strength and endurance. Incorporating stair climbing into your fitness routine can lead to improved cardiovascular health, stronger muscles, and better overall fitness. Walking is still valuable, but stairs win in calories burned per minute. Walking is a low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints and can be done almost anywhere. It's a great way to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially for those who may not be able to handle the intensity of stair climbing. Choose the right tool for your fat loss mission. Work smarter, not longer. Whether you prefer the steady pace of walking or the intense burn of stair climbing, the key is to find an exercise that you enjoy and can stick with. Remember, consistency is crucial for achieving your fitness goals. So, lace up your shoes, make your choice, and get moving. Exercise builds a strong, metabolically active body. Stair climbing is superior for muscle building, using your body weight as resistance. Walking maintains muscle, but stair climbing sculpts it. Each step up targets glutes, hamstrings, and quads, engaging your core. This muscle activation boosts your resting metabolic rate, making you a fat-burning machine. For faster weight loss, stair climbing is more effective. It's a height workout in disguise, with a powerful afterburn effect. Two people aiming to lose weight, one walks, the other climbs stairs. The stair climber sees faster results due to a bigger metabolic impact. Combine both, use stairs for intensity and walking for consistency. True health is more than a number on the scale. Walking boosts cardiovascular health and mental well-being. Stair climbing enhances bone density and VO2 max, a key fitness indicator. Both activities boost confidence and offer a sense of accomplishment. They transform your mindset, proving you can overcome challenges. When it comes to fitness, the most important thing you can do is listen to your body and know your limits. Every person's journey is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Before you start any new activity, take a moment to assess your current fitness level, any health conditions you may have, and your personal goals. Safety should always come first. Choose the activity that best matches your abilities and comfort level. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to consult a fitness professional or your healthcare provider for guidance. Remember, pushing yourself too hard too soon can lead to injury and setbacks, so it's always better to start slow and build up gradually. Walking is one of the most accessible and beginner-friendly forms of exercise. It's low impact, gentle on the joints, and can be done almost anywhere, whether you're strolling through a park, walking on a treadmill, or taking laps around an indoor track. For those who are just starting out, have joint concerns, or are recovering from injury, walking is an excellent way to build endurance, improve cardiovascular health, and boost your mood without putting unnecessary strain on your body. Stair climbing, on the other hand, is a more intense workout that can quickly elevate your heart rate and strengthen your lower body. However, it's important to approach this activity with caution, especially if you're new to exercise or have knee or joint issues. The repetitive, high-impact motion of climbing stairs can be tough on your knees and ankles, so always listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. To stay safe while stair climbing, always use the handrails for balance and support. Take your time, focus on your form, and avoid running up or down the stairs until you've built up enough strength and experience. If you're ever unsure about your technique, ask a trainer or experienced friend to demonstrate proper stair safety. Remember, it's better to go slow and steady than to risk a fall or injury. The best approach is to start with walking, allowing your body to adapt and grow stronger over time. As your confidence and fitness improve, you can gradually incorporate stair climbing into your routine. Progress at your own pace and celebrate each milestone along the way. A personal trainer can help you transition safely and effectively, ensuring you're using the right technique and avoiding common mistakes. Remember, your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Progress may be slow at times, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process of becoming a stronger, healthier you. Time for action. No excuses. Start small, be consistent, and build momentum. Walk 15, 20 minutes, 5 days a week. Find a time that works, wear comfortable shoes, and just go. For stairs, start with 1 or 2 flights, 3 times a week. Schedule your workouts like appointments you can't miss. Something is always better than nothing. Start now. Make walking and stair climbing a habit. Integrate them into your life. Opportunity fitness. Walk instead of drive, take stairs over elevators. Progress with stairs by adding flights or timing yourself. Track progress and celebrate wins to stay motivated. Turn exercise into a rewarding, lifelong habit. Stair climbing is the fastest way to burn fat and build muscle. But the best exercise is the one you'll do consistently and safely. Walking is sustainable and low risk, perfect for long-term health. Use both. Walking for foundation, stairs for intensity. Choose what suits your body and preferences. The most important thing is to move. Start your journey now.